Before there were cities, before there were engines, before there were power grids, airplanes, or computers, there was hydrogen, the simplest element in the universe, the fuel of stars, the energy at the heart of the sun itself. For billions of years, hydrogen has powered the cosmos. And now, for the first time, visionaries are beginning to understand a completely new possibility here on Earth. Because everything in modern life depends on energy. The food we eat, the trucks that deliver it, the hospitals we rely on, the fabric of modern life. Energy powers all of it. And as the world grows, one thing is becoming increasingly clear. We are going to need far more energy than ever before. More resources, more computing power, more transportation. Not someday, now. And that has created one of the biggest global challenges of our time. How do we produce enough energy that is clean, reliable, affordable, and scalable? That question has pushed scientists, governments, and industries around the world to search for entirely new energy solutions. Which brings us to hydrogen. Hydrogen is already incredibly important to the modern world. It is used in refining, chemical processing, and energy systems across the planet. Many scientists believe hydrogen could become one of the most important fuels of the future. Because hydrogen is one of the most energy-dense fuels known, it contains more usable energy per unit of mass than any other common fuel, allowing even a relatively small amount to deliver tremendous power. And when hydrogen is used as a fuel, its only direct emission is water vapor. That sounds almost too good to be true. But there has always been one major problem. The hydrogen used today is manufactured. Carbon-intensive processes are required to separate hydrogen from compounds such as water and methane. That takes energy. So for years, the challenge surrounding hydrogen has never been whether it is useful. The challenge has been cost, and therefore the ability to scale. Manufactured hydrogen also has a carbon footprint, which can vary drastically. For all its promise, the future of hydrogen has remained constrained by one fundamental question. Can it ever become affordable and scalable enough to power the world? Yet something new is changing the conversation. It is called natural hydrogen. Hydrogen that occurs naturally in the Earth's subsurface, right beneath our feet. The fact that hydrogen exists in the subsurface has been known for over a century. What is new, however, is the discovery that hydrogen does not occur only sporadically. In some cases, it accumulates into significant reservoirs. Hydrogen can even regenerate, creating a naturally replenishing source of energy. This is transformative because it introduces the possibility of a naturally occurring energy source generated by the Earth itself. Less expensive, cleaner, potentially scalable. Like mineral deposits, but far easier to bring into production. Until recently, most people, including much of the scientific community, did not believe natural hydrogen deposits could exist at meaningful scale. What many scientists did not believe was possible were large accumulations of hydrogen trapped deep beneath the Earth. Naturally occurring systems capable of generating and replenishing hydrogen over time. That all changed over a decade ago in Mali, West Africa. A well drilled in search of water encountered something entirely unexpected: hydrogen. Not small traces, not isolated occurrences, almost pure hydrogen, roughly 98%. The gas flowed naturally from the subsurface and continued to regenerate over time. Soon, it was being used to generate electricity for a nearby village. For the first time, naturally occurring hydrogen had moved beyond theory and into reality. That discovery changed the entire conversation. What was once considered unlikely suddenly became possible. It sparked a global search for similar systems. Scientists began looking for the geological ingredients capable of generating, accumulating, and trapping hydrogen deep within the Earth. Today, growing attention is converging on regions that may host some of the most significant natural hydrogen opportunities identified anywhere in the world. For the first time, exploration companies around the world began evaluating whether these systems could exist at meaningful scale. Because if they could, the implications would be profound. And that is where the story starts to feel familiar. The gold rush sounded impossible before gold was found. Oil changed the world long before people understood how large the industry would become. Major discoveries rarely begin with certainty. They begin with people willing to explore difficult ideas before the rest of the world catches up. Asking a simple question: what if the next major energy source is not something we invent, but something we rediscover? Today, natural hydrogen may represent one of the newest frontiers in global energy, and nobody yet knows how large this opportunity could become. The world is not moving away from energy. It is moving deeper into it. And one region attracting growing attention in this emerging industry is Saskatchewan, Canada. At first glance, Saskatchewan may seem unexpected, but Saskatchewan has always been a province built around resources: energy, geology, and industry. It has decades of drilling history, extensive, deep technical expertise, and a highly developed oil and gas sector. It also has geological conditions that many researchers believe may be highly favorable for natural hydrogen systems. In south-central Saskatchewan, one area in particular has started attracting serious attention: the Genesis Trend. A massive geological corridor stretching hundreds of kilometers into the United States. In most exploration industries, companies become excited over geological trends measuring 10 or 20 kilometers. The Genesis Trend stretches at least 475 kilometers. The scale is enormous. And within this emerging frontier, MAX Power Mining Corp is attempting to become the first company in the world to make a large-scale commercial natural hydrogen discovery. Not by following an established industry, but by stepping into a category that barely existed only a few years ago. Because somebody always has to go first. You have to chase the absurd to achieve the impossible. That is the nature of exploration. Now, the next step is proving whether these systems can exist at true commercial scale. How often do we witness the possible emergence of an entirely new primary energy source, one that most people still do not even know exists? If natural hydrogen can be successfully discovered and developed at scale, the implications could be enormous. A new energy source, a new chapter in global energy development, not just for Saskatchewan, but for the world. That is natural hydrogen. And this story is only just beginning.